Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the float function, okay, which is a function that has in Python, okay. So this function is a kind of little bit confused, to be honest, but let's use it. So to convert some number to a float data type, it's pretty easy, okay. For instance, let's start by creating a float from a string. So something like this would be acceptable. Okay, if I have a string this way, I could easily convert it into a float. And also, if I have a integer, I can also do that. And as you guys can see, it changes a little bit. Okay, so that's just it, guys. I hope you like it. This video. I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.